Hello, traders. I hope all is well with you. It's another week, and we are going to do a quick analysis on a few pairs here. So I'll be looking on EURUSD, EURJPY, Pound CAD, USDZAR. So I'll also be looking at gold. So let us start with USDZAR today. So let me load the template again. Okay, so we usually start our analysis based on a monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, we are looking on the market structure of price action, and we'll be looking at areas of support and resistance, and if the market is having a bullish trend or a bearish trend. So the current market price is at this area here, so around 18.0493934. So I've loaded the line chart to see clearly where price has actually reversed direction. So we have these zones that are near to the current price level, and you can see the market structure is showing to be bearish, finding an order block right here. So you can see the market is bearish, finding that order block, and this is the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, we have just broken this low. So we are around this low here. We have not actually broken it. It's a small liquidity rate, but we are still having a bearish market structure here. So we are having this as our first target, this area, and we can look at price finding the 200 EMA. We also have this as a area of support. So we are still in a bearish market structure on USDZAR based on monthly and weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see we had this pin here around the 200 EMA and 13 EMA, which indicates a peak reset on the hour and time frame. And this is why we had this setup last week. So I sent the setup last week on so it was around Wednesday here. So I sent the setup that USDZAR will continue to sell. So our peak reset is this point here. So here we have a peak reset, and if you observe, we had a liquidity rate, like we had these highs. So the market formed these highs, and we had a liquidity rate, and then the market immediately reversed. And let us draw the ADR boxes and see the market the market maker cycle. So our ADR is around 184 pips. So okay, so I'll just leave it there. Okay, so that's ADR times 1, ADR times 2, and we are off to ADR times 3. So we are just near to complete it. So we are now at level 3. You can see here, we're now at level 3. Okay, so if you observe, you can see the ADR simply completes around the 800 EMA. So we'll be looking for sales to find that target. So we'll be looking for sales to find that target. So we should be expecting a stop and high, maybe to this previous day high. So a stop and high, and then drop. Then drop. So that is what I'll be observing on USDZAR. And we have our targets. So we have the targets here before the market actually reverses direction. So this here is the 200 EMA, I think, on the, no, we have the 200 EMA just here. So this is the order block based on the monthly time frame. So the order block is right here. So we are still bearish on USDZAR. So that's what we should be looking for. Let us have a look on GBPCAD. So our analysis last week, now we saw that GBPCAD was still bullish. So still bullish. So this was our anticipation here. And we had a crazy week. You can see the market was actually consolidating during these days on. So on Wednesday, on Thursday, and Friday. So only on Tuesdays where the market actually offered opportunity on pound CAD, but we are still having a bullish market structure. So this still holds, eh? So this still holds, and I was looking on the daily time frame. So this area of resistance was a bit difficult to be broken, and right now you can see the market is actually finding its way going up. And you can see how the bullish candle from last week, you can see the momentum going up is still good. So the bullish market structure holds, and the bullish market maker cycle based on the hour still holds. And you can see it started moving during the Asian session. We had the first, the second, and this is now the third swipe. So after the third swipe, I would expect for the market to have a retracement and then form another pattern for us to take a trade. As for now, we should wait for that. That is on GBP CAD. Now on EURJPY, need to do another analysis. The trend had actually changed here on the hour. So we had this area of support here. So an area of support, and the market was showing a bullish market structure. But then this was last month candle, and we're in a bit of you can see the market is moving very slowly here. So it's like a consolidation. Okay, so this was last week candle. We are now bouncing around the 13 EMA. So based on the monthly time frame, we have not yet confirmed that the trend has changed. The trend still holds as a bullish market structure. And on the weekly also, we have not confirmed, although this last week candle, this last 2 week candles would suggest that the market might actually reverse direction. But the presence of this EMA is hinders my decision here. So this is the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, so the market formed this area of support here, and this is why I was expecting the market to go up another level, but then it has returned to this point again, and I'm still holding on to the bullish market structure on EURJPY. Yeah. So if we measure from this peak formation high, the ADR time 3 is around 357 pips. So we have not completed the ADR time 3 yet. Okay, we have not completed. And you can see this was also a large quarter peak. So a peak around the large quarter, a bit of an overshoot. And then we had a successful completion of this large quarter again. So we had this one and we had this one. So if the market comes down to this hesitation zone here, it's where I would expect for the peak. If we draw our ADR boxes, it's around 119. So the ADR time 3. So you can see ADR time 3 is around this hesitation zone here. So I would expect for the market to form that and then go down a bit. And this is where I would expect for the market to form a peak. And then peak formation low around midweek. So this will be our immediate reversal here. So that is on Euro JPY. So let us have a look on Euro USD. So Euro USD, this is the monthly time frame, and we are looking at the market structure. So the market structure is still bullish. We have bounced around this 200 EMA, and this month candle has opened with a retracement, and then you can see it is now having that reversal going up. And if you look at this retracement, we are still retracing, based on the weekly time frame. We are still retracing, and we should expect for the market to find this level down here. So we have that, and we also have that level here. So we are still retracing, So I'm still expecting for bearish market here, for some times. So you can see on the this is on the daily time frame. We had that move, a consolidation. We're having that move. We're now on the consolidation, and we should have another move going down. And then a support area should be formed, a very good support area for us to buy, like what it did here. Okay, so right now, we should be expecting for the market to form a peak reset here. So a peak reset there. Okay, so to find that large quarter point again, and then from a peak reset there, and then continue down. So that is on Euro USD. Okay, so let us now observe gold. So I've also been following these indices, and the indices have now returned back to bullish market structure, because we had this bearish moves here since Trump inauguration. So right now the market has regained, and we are on a bullish market structure. So our work is to observe areas where it would only retrace, form a support, and then continue up. So I'm talking of NASDAQ, S&P 500, and also the US 30, so the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So all these American indices have actually gained momentum to our bullish market structure. So that is what I advise on them. So let us look on gold now. So I've also been following gold for some times now, and I am actually expecting for gold to form a support on the daily. You can see here, this is the weekly. When you look on the monthly, this is this month candle. It started with a retracement just as Euro USD. And when you look at the weekly, we are still going down a bit. So we have not yet confirmed that the market is actually reversing. And this is the daily. On the daily, I'm expecting for gold to form a support area before going up. Okay, so for right now, you can see the market is on consolidation. So you can see the market as sell, buy, sell, it's buying. So that's consolidation based on the time frame you can see here. And this here was the peak. So when you draw the ADR boxes to see if the market maker cycle was actually completed. Okay, so ADR is around 85.74. So area time three is actually completed, and you can see it had three clear levels going down, and we are still on a consolidation here. And if you look at it, it is like forming a peak reset, and it will go to this point and form a support before going up. So right now, I'll be waiting for that support to be formed and look for buy trades afterwards. That is what I am looking at gold. That is what I am looking at gold. So the market last week had movements early. So just after the Asian session has opened, the market forms a pattern and have move. So on late New York session also, we have also been observing some moves on this market. But if you are trading the London session, a few opportunities have been seen. Rather, you should be looking for trades very early and very early after the Asian session, or you should also be looking for trades right after, on late New York session. So those are the times that you should be looking for trades. Okay, so that is all I have for today, and have a good trading week ahead. In fact, have a profitable week ahead. And if you need any assistance, if you need anything from me, you can simply text me on Telegram or on WhatsApp, and I'll be there to assist you. So that is all I have for today, and have a profitable week ahead. Thank you.